Hey! Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment, where we drop knowledge bombs that are equal parts entertaining and life-changing. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart, hygiene. But not just any hygiene. We're talking about the kind of hygiene that makes you feel like you've got your life together. How you can consistently turn heads by smelling fresh 24/7 without breaking the bank. Yep, we're talking about smelling fresh all day, every day. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me just say this. Hygiene isn't just about slapping on some deodorant and calling it a day. Oh no, my friend. It's a lifestyle. It's about feeling confident, empowered, and yes, smelling like a walking Garden of Eden. So grab a notebook, a cup of tea, or maybe just your favorite snack, because this is going to be good. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the shower game. Because honey, if you're not washing properly, we've got bigger problems than just body odor. Now, I know some of you are out there just letting the water run over you like you're in a low-budget rom-com. Nope, not today. We're doing this right. Start with a good loofah or exfoliating glove. Dead skin cells? We don't know her. Exfoliating not only keeps your skin smooth, but also helps prevent odor-causing bacteria from throwing a party on your body. And please, for the love of all things holy, don't forget the back of your ears and between your toes. Those are the sneaky spots where bacteria love to hide. Now let's talk body wash. I'm a big fan of products with natural ingredients like tea tree oil or charcoal. They're gentle but effective at keeping things fresh. And if you're feeling fancy, throw in a body scrub once or twice a week. Your skin will thank you and you'll smell like a dream. Oh, and here's a little hack. If you're prone to body acne or irritation, look for body washes with salicylic acid. It's a game changer for keeping your skin clear and smooth. And don't forget to moisturize right after your shower while your skin is still damp. It locks in hydration and keeps your skin soft and supple. Next up, skincare. Because let's be real, your face is the first thing people notice. And no, washing your face with bar soap doesn't count. Side-eye. My skincare routine is pretty simple but effective. I start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and makeup. Then, I layer on my Holy Trinity hyaluronic acid for hydration, niacinamide to even out my skin tone, and vitamin C for that glow. Because who doesn't want to look like they've been kissed by the sun? And here's a pro tip. Don't forget your neck and décolletage. Those areas can show age faster than you can say moisturize. So treat them with the same love and care as your face. Your future self will thank you. Oh, and if you're dealing with acne, don't beat yourself up. It's not always about hygiene. Hormones, stress, and even genetics can play a role. Be kind to your skin and give it the care it needs without overloading it with products. Sometimes, less is more. Okay, now let's talk about something most people overlook. Internal hygiene. Yep, what's happening inside your body can have a huge impact on how you smell and feel. First up, hydration. Drink your water. I'm talking at least 10 cups a day. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps your skin glowing, and yes, it can even help with body odor. If you're not a fan of plain water, add some lemon or cucumber for a little flavor boost. Next, let's talk gut health. Your gut is like the control center for your body. If it's out of whack, it can lead to all sorts of issues, including bad breath and body odor. I swear by probiotics and prebiotics to keep my gut happy. You can find them in supplements or foods like yogurt, kimchi, and bananas. Trust me, your gut and your nose will thank you. And don't forget about your diet. What you eat can directly affect how you smell. Foods like garlic and onions are delicious, but they can leave a lingering scent. On the flip side, foods like leafy greens, citrus fruits, and herbs like parsley can help neutralize odors. It's all about balance, baby. Now let's move on to oral hygiene, because nobody wants to be the person with dragon breath. First, invest in a good electric toothbrush. It's a game changer. Brush twice a day, and don't forget to floss. Flossing removes food particles and bacteria that your toothbrush can't reach. And if you really want to level up, try oil pulling with coconut oil. It's an ancient practice that helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. Plus, it makes you feel like a wellness guru, and who doesn't want that? Finish off with a fluoride mouthwash to kill any lingering bacteria. And if you're a coffee or wine lover like me, keep some whitening strips on hand for those special occasions. Because nobody wants a smile that's more yellow than a taxi cab. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Your tongue is a breeding ground for bacteria, so don't forget to scrape it. A tongue scraper is a cheap and effective way to keep your breath fresh and your mouth healthy. All right, we've covered the basics. Now let's talk about the piece de resistance, perfume. Because smelling good is the ultimate confidence booster. I'm a huge fan of Arabic perfumes. They're rich, long-lasting, and have the most luxurious scents. A little goes a long way, so don't overdo it. Apply it to your pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind your ears. And if you want your scent to last all day, layer it with a matching body lotion or oil. But here's the thing. Perfume should complement your natural scent, not mask it. Embrace your natural aroma and use fragrance to enhance it, not overpower it. Because, honey, you're already a masterpiece. The perfume is just the cherry on top. And if you're not into heavy perfumes, try a body mist or essential oils. They're lighter and perfect for everyday wear. My go-to is a lavender or vanilla scent. It's calming and always gets compliments. Now, before we wrap this up, let's address the elephant in the room: societal beauty standards. Listen, hygiene is important, but it's not about conforming to some unrealistic ideal. It's about feeling good in your own skin. You don't have to shave every day, wear makeup, or smell like a bouquet of roses to be clean. Hygiene is personal. It's about what makes you feel confident and comfortable. So whether you're rocking body hair, embracing your natural scent, or going full glam, do it for you, not for anyone else. And if you're struggling with mental health, remember that self-care is an act of love. It's okay to take small steps. Maybe today it's just brushing your teeth or drinking an extra glass of water. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small they seem. So there you have it, my ultimate guide to smelling fresh all day. From shower hacks to skincare, gut health to perfume tips, we've covered it all. Remember, hygiene is holistic. It's about taking care of your body inside and out and embracing your unique self. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more infinite infotainment. And hey, drop a comment below telling me your favorite hygiene tip or product. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay fresh, stay fabulous, and remember, you're already amazing. Bye for now.